To remove the deck on your Cub Cadet lawnmower, put the cutting height down to the bottom, or as low as it will go, like that. Now the deck will be resting on the ground. You could put a block of wood under here and do it that way, but I prefer doing it onto the ground. And you pull the pin out here. Just get a twist and then a pull, and it'll drop off back here. Just lift this up out of the way. Make sure it's not connected. And do the same on the other side, pull this out. Now with the deck disconnected at the back here, you need to disconnect the spring that engages the spindle. So I'm just going to pull this out, lift this there, unhook the spring from the spindle lever. This can be a little bit challenging, but just lift the spring up as far as possible and then push it down and it will come out. Go to the front of the deck and pull out this split pin. This washer, put them somewhere safe, and then you can push this arm out. Then you're going to take a 13mm socket and undo this bolt here. That's going to allow you to remove this bracket here, which keeps the belt in place. Then remove this bracket down below, and then you can slip the belt off. Lift the mechanism back up into the full height position, making sure it doesn't catch the bottom of the deck. I think we just caught it there, so just pull the pins out that we pulled out first, and you can lift the mechanism up like that, so it's out of the way. And from the right side, just pull the deck out. If you want to see how to install the deck, check out this video right here.